let's go to case number 5. So I guess in stark contrast, hopefully this is not a hard one to see, but you can see that, look, this is where the glenohumeral joint is, right? And that humeral head is completely misplaced. It's gone completely anterior. And that's not hard. I mean, you could be in medical school and you could see that, but sometimes people would struggle with that Y view. So I just want to show you what it looks like on the Y view. So yeah, I mean, some of you may be able to see this, but look, let's draw that Y. That Y is sitting, sitting like so. Actually, it's sort of slightly angulated. Can you see, like, we don't have a proper Y that looks like they're slightly angulated like this, and that blade kind of does that way. But this is where the glenohumeral joint should be. And in this particular situation, you can see the greater tuberosity, which is one of the anatomical places I was telling you about, then the humeral head going like this, and it's all facing the wrong way. If anything, it should be facing this way, and the greater tuberosity should be on this side, right? So this is clearly a dislocation, 100% dislocation, and you can see that from the first view. You can see that on the Y view, and then you can see on every single view that this glenohumeral joint is not aligned at all. And then again, you just got to make sure you've had a good look at the ribs and you had a good look to see whether there's any evidence of a pneumothorax anywhere. And in this situation, there isn't. It's just illustrating to you a slightly more easier anterior dislocation.